Nagbabalik ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0, The Big Night. At ngayon, oras na para malaman kung sino ang ating kapuso at kapamilya third big placers. At bawat isa sa kanila ay tatanggap ng tig 300,000 pesos.
And to help us announce and award the third big placers, we have with us on the stage ABS-CBN Head of Entertainment Production and Head of Star Magic Direct Laurenti Jogi and Sparkle's Talent Development and Management First Vice President Miss Joy Marcelo. Good evening, Direct and Miss Joy. Thank you for being here.
Housemates, oras na para pangalanan kung sino ang binoto ng taong bayan para maging kapuso at kapamilya third big placers. Direct Lauren and Miss Joy.
Placer ay nakakuha ng 8.47% of the total combined Kapuso votes.
At ang kapamilya third big placer ay nakakuha ng 16.95% of the total combined kapamilya votes. Bianca?
Congratulations! Dahil kayo ang kapuso at kapamilya third big placers!
Joaquin! Ang ating kapuso at kapamilya third big placers, ang longing sweetheart ng Las Piñas, Ashley! Ang rising dreamer ng Muntinlupa, Joaquin!
Ashley, Joaquin, congratulations! Tanggapin nyo na ang inyong mga premyo mula kina Direct Lauren at Miss Joy na tig 300,000 pesos.
At syempre, bukod dyan, yakapin nyo na rin ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay na masayang masaya para sa inyo. Mommies, go ahead!
Narito
Super proud,
si
Mommy.
Mommy Jobel for Ashley at si Mommy Sunshine for Joaquin! Congratulations!
Ashley at Joaquin, gusto ko lang kayo tanungin, anong gusto niyong sabihin sa lahat ng nagtitiwala sa inyo?
Hello world and hello Philippines! Thank you so much po sa pagboto! And thank you, Lord!
Joaquin, ikaw naman, any message para sa lahat na nagmamahal sa'yo?
I couldn't have done this without any of you. The reason I'm here is because of you. Glory be to God. There's no point in living if you don't live for someone else. Be selfless.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin our third big placers, Ashley and Joaquin!